Welcome to 140 Tidal Lane. Hey guys, Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group giving you another exclusive private property tour. Folks, we're situated behind a gated community. The neighborhood's called Ocean Cay. We're a mile to the beach from here, situated perfectly on the island. Key West style neighborhood, oversized lot, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, over 1,800 square feet. Let's go check it out. Welcome inside to 140 Tidal Lane. Now, just before we go all the way back, it's a really nice open living concept. Split floor plan though, I mean, you've got 2 really nice sized bedrooms here, 1 full bathroom for them to share. If you've got friends, family, whatever, maybe put a barn door here to really create some separation. But this is what it's all about. This is such a popular floor plan. It's built in 2015, so newer construction, but you've got all open living. I mean, the living area, the kitchen, the dining, it all blends in so nicely together. I love the kitchen, beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tons and tons of bar seating right here. I mean, it's nice when you're in the kitchen cooking, you're still involved with everything. Super big walk-in pantry, love that. Access to the garage, oversized 2-car garage for the cars, for the surfboards, the beach toys. Nice sized laundry room. And as we keep going straight back to the house, we'll take you into the master bedroom. So come on in here. The master's a really great size. I mean, fits a king size bed in here perfectly. Plenty of furniture space. I love the elevated countertops, his and her vanity, soaker tub, the standalone shower, real big closet, water closet. The ensuite is set up perfect. So, you know, this is a super simple floor plan, but simple is just sometimes one of the most ideal things you can come across. Open living. It's perfect for that family that's maybe trying to get into the house before the new school year. The best part about this is it is so rare to come by large parcels of land, especially in this neighborhood, especially on the island. This is a massive lot, oversized, room for a pool, room to spread out. Let's go check it out. So we're ending the private property tour outside. I think outdoors is the most important, especially in Florida living. I love this little setup here. This lot goes back so far though. I mean, way, way far, plus you have tons and tons and tons of privacy. You've got a little parquet behind here, which runs right by our house. Folks, the address is 140 Tidal Lane. It's in Ocean Cay, gated community, 1 mile to the beach. Hands down, one of the best value properties you're gonna find on Anastasia Island. Contact my team today to set up your private tour. Again, my name is Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group, where exceeding your expectation is our standard. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you soon.